Hey there, Eagle Appliance Service. My name is Omari Bakal with Taurus SEO. We're a Lexington-based search engine optimization company. We also do targeted ads, paid advertising, and reputation management, and a lot of other services as well. But we are looking for a company in the appliance repair service niche, specifically in Lexington, Kentucky, and some of the surrounding counties as well, to partner up with. Um, we see that this niche is growing, and we really do want a partner that we can grow with. And doing some research of the other businesses in the area, we came across your guys's company, and we do see that there's a lot of room for growth to be able to take a better part of the market share with your business. So I wanted to create this video just to give you some tips and tricks on how you yourself can improve your SEO. It's going to be, this is going to be the 20% that provides, the 70% of the results, and it's the other 30 that that's what we specialize in order to get you the optimal spots on the Google results page listing. So without further ado, I'm going to go through this video real quick and show you exactly what you can do to increase your rankings on Google. So if we exit Google here and just type in appliance repair, Lexington. They're gonna correct my spelling for me. You can see on the map pack, this is the prime real estate. This is where you want to be. You want to be in the top three right now. When someone types in appliance repair or appliance service or dishwasher repair, dryer repair, whatever keywords you want your business to rank for, you want your business to be popping up in the top three of the Google listings in the map locations pack, but organically as well. Businesses can pop up here without having much, without having their website on the first page organically. But if you're here, that's pretty much all that matters. But if your website is listed organically, and these are the organic listings right here, you'll have a better chance of making it up to the top. So you can see the competitors in your niche are, Rick Green's Appliances, Expert Appliance Repair, Appliance Service. These are the people that are pretty much taking up a big bulk of the business, because when customers come and search, appliance repair Lexington or Louisville or wherever your business is located, they're basically going to be only looking at the top businesses on the first page. No one's going to the second page or the third page. So if we come over here, we can continue looking. We can go through and see exactly where your business is. It's not on page two, but if you come here, it's on the top of page three. This is where your business is located. And being on the top of page three, it's good because you're not on page seven or eight, but not being on page one is severely hurting your business, and not being on that map pack as well. So one of the first things you can do to increase your chances of being ranked on the first page is to have a lot of content on your first page. You have no content, or the content you do have, and this is considered content in the eyes of Google, is very limited. So there's no keywords that Google can use to, help increase the relatability or the relevance of your site to customers when they do type in appliance repair. So getting some more keywords, getting some information about you, what services you offer, things about appliance repair people might not know, some information that you can give to customers just on your homepage will really help Google like your website more. Um, so getting that on there, you really do want 1,000 words on your homepage, 1,000 words, pictures. You can also have a opt-in form as well for people to put their information in. So if you're closed, that's really going to help you with getting customers through your door. So content is very key, and it's not just copy and pasting content, it's unique content directly related to your business and your niche. And you can find people to write that content for you. And Taurus SEO, we do write content. The second thing you want to pay attention to is backlinks. So what a backlink is, it's like a vote from another website. If you go to a website and let's say there's a link and you click on that link and it takes you to somewhere else, that's basically what a backlink is. It's a vote. And not all backlinks are created equal. Think of it, as a neighbor saying, "Hey, Eagle Appliance Service, they're really good. You should definitely check them out." Versus, the governor of Kentucky or the president of the United States, saying, "Hey, Eagle Appliance is really good at what they do, excellent service." So if your neighbor says it and the president says it's technically that's one vote, but one holds a lot more weight than the other. So that's what a backlink is, and you really want to get backlinks from websites that have a lot of weight. So if you look at your competitor, Rick Green's Appliance, you can see he's got two backlinks from different referring domains that are referring to his website, and he has a trust flow of 6, citation flow of 23. The higher these two numbers are, the better. But you also want these numbers to come from, or these referring domains to come from websites that are relevant to what you're doing. So you don't want it to come from, arts and television or, computer information or video games. You want it to come from, home and garden, contractor, home repair, home renovation, things like that, to get it to get Google anyway to like your website more, because you're getting likes from really strong domains. So these domains right here, you can see their rankings, 0 trust flow, 11 citation, 0 and 0. So even though they're not doing very well, they're doing well enough above what everyone else is doing in order to beat out the competition. So you don't want to excel, you just want to do more than what your competitor is doing, and that's what they are doing as well. The other one was TIS Appliance Repair. They have a trust flow of 0, citation of 14, three backlinks, 3 referring domains, and you can see their citation and trust flows are 0, 0, zeros all across the board. So the reason they're not in first place is because these guys are doing more. And here is your website. I did Eagle Appliance KY. So you have 0 trust flow, a citation flow of 9, 3 referring domains, and you're showing some referring domains with not a lot of authority. So you want to get some domains with authority, like blogs or Chamber of Commerce. They have a lot of authority, getting your website on there, or other places, other websites with a lot of authority as well that are relevant. So those are the two things you can do. Content in order to get on the first page, getting some more backlinks from some really authoritative websites, and also making sure you have a Google My Business. That's how that's how you get to the first page of Google here. And this, you need a Google My Business in order to get this, get your business listed here. So hopefully that was some good information for you. If you have any more questions about what we do, you're more than welcome to email us back or give us a phone call at the number on the signature line in this email. We'd be more than happy to talk with you if you're interested in partnering up, if you're interested in growing your business, if you're interested in getting to the next level and beating out the competition for appliance repair in Central Kentucky. We can help you. This is what we do, this is what we specialize in, and we really are looking for a business in this niche. We're going to keep searching until we find one. So hope you enjoyed this video and looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks.